Welcome to 422 Herrington Drive in Cross Hills, South Carolina. This beautiful home is located on Lake Greenwood. Lake Greenwood is located between Greenville, South Carolina and Columbia, South Carolina. A really sweet spot for people. It is actually inside the Water's Edge subdivision. Water's Edge subdivision is on the lower part of the lake, closer to the dam, the state park, Skipper's Landing. The nice thing about Water's Edge subdivision is they kept their lot sizes bigger. Their acre lots or more. They kept a lot of their natural green trees for privacy, just a more natural look throughout the subdivision. The subdivision offers private boat ramps and private boat storage. So when your boat is not in the water, you actually have a place to store it instead of having to keep it on your property. Water's Edge is just a gorgeous, smaller community on the lake. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a 2-car detached garage for all your lake toys, loads of deck space. It's a 40-foot deck that overlooks the lake. You got a 40-foot wide screened-in porch to sit and sip your morning coffee. As you can see from the back deck, you've got a beautiful view of the lake. As you enter the house, you will see that you're entering into the great room. It is an open space of living, dining, the kitchen areas, all one big open room. Loads of natural light flow in through all the windows. You've got a great view of the lake off the back of the house. You have a fireplace that's your focal point of your living area. Upstairs, you have your laundry room, a full bath, and a bedroom that's built off the back of the home, so you've got a great view of the lake from the bedroom. You also have a ton of closets in this home, lots of storage space. And look at how light and bright it is from those windows. This is the master suite, which is located downstairs, but you have a large master ensuite. The bathroom features a nice walk-in shower and a separate tub. Another bedroom has a set of bunk beds and a queen bed. All the furnishings in the home stay. So everything that you see in these photos stay with the home. There is another full bath that both other bedrooms downstairs share. You've got a great walkout patio that walks out into the backyard, and another great view from the deck. Large living space, lots of deck space. If you're interested in this home, please call Robin Lynchus with the Stephanie Wilson team at 864-941-6450.